Unravel the Past, Mastering Backshifting in English. Hello, dear learners. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English grammar that's often tricky for learners, the process of backshifting. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the backshifting of simple past to past perfect. Backshifting, in essence, is when we shift the tense of reported speech to match the time frame of the main clause. Don't worry if it sounds a bit complicated now. We'll untangle everything step by step. Before we delve into the specific case of backshifting from simple past to past perfect, let's do a quick recap of what backshifting is in general. Backshifting is a grammatical term used in English to describe the shifting of tenses back to reflect indirect or reported speech. For example, if we're reporting something that was said in the past, we change the tense of the verbs to match that past perspective. Let's illustrate this with an example. Direct speech, I am hungry. Reported speech, he said that he was hungry. Now that we've brushed up on what backshifting is, let's move on to our main topic: backshifting from simple past to past perfect. The rule is simple. When reporting a past action, you should generally shift the verb tenses back one step, from simple past, past simple, to past perfect. For example, direct speech, I lost my keys. Reported speech, she said she had lost her keys. Please notice that in reported speech, the tense of the verb has shifted from simple past, lost, to past perfect, had lost. Backshifting is not only a matter of grammatical accuracy. It's also a tool that allows us to convey when the events we're talking about happened relative to each other and to the current moment. By using the past perfect in reported speech, we're showing that the event, in this case, losing the keys, happened before the act of speaking or before another event in the past. There you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of backshifting from simple past to past perfect. Remember, practice is key in mastering this or any other aspect of English grammar. So, keep on practicing, and soon enough, you'll find that these tense shifts come naturally to you. We hope this video has been helpful and we'll continue exploring other aspects of reported speech in our future lessons. Keep learning and see you in the next video.